In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the built-in scanning feature in iPads and iPhones to scan your work and documents that you can then attach to Google Classroom or Gmail. I believe Samsung and other Android devices have a free built-in scan feature as well. I don't have one of those devices, so I don't know where it is or exactly how to use it. But if you do know, please leave a comment in the chat below. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is open up Notes. And here you can see I've got the camera. So the camera by default is set to automatically detect the documents and the size of the document. So I'm just gonna line up my document here. I'm gonna bring the camera up until I get the whole document and it will automatically take. There we go. Now I wanna take a second page, and this page is purposely upside down because I'm gonna show you how we can edit that if we make that mistake and don't realize it till after we've taken the picture. So again, I'm gonna raise the camera up. It automatically recognizes and takes a picture of the image. And then I'm gonna just review it by tapping on the picture icons at the bottom. So that page looks good. This page looks good, but it is upside down. So we can rotate that right now. The top right corner of the screen, I have the little square with the arrow on it. I'm just gonna rotate that around. I press it twice. That looks good now. Yep, they both look good. So I'm gonna hit done at the top left. And now since I'm done scanning, I'm gonna click on save. And there's my document. Now I wanna share this with Google Classroom or even Gmail. So I'm just gonna click on it. And at the top right, I now have the forward option, which is the box furthest to the right with the upwards arrow. I'm gonna tap on that. And here you can see I've got my apps that I can select from. So I'm gonna choose Classroom, and then that would obviously open up Classroom, and I could attach it to whatever post I wanted to. I could even attach it to Gmail if I wanted as well. So that is how we would scan and submit a document to Google Classroom. I hope you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.